Hey everyone, Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. Take a look at this paint job. This is not a toy hauler. It's in our tsunami paint scheme. It's actually a front living floor plan. Wow. Wow. Can I attach any word to this paint job that would do justice to it? You think up a word. Red, black, gold. Give us a call at 844-284-6678. 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com. Here's one for you to get you through the weekend. What a beauty.